Aren't you comfortable with your glutes? I propose a 10-day jump start plan to tone and lift them. If you subscribed, don't forget to activate the notifications bell so you don't lose any of my videos. I leave this calendar with the challenge in the description box for you to download it. Let's get to the second day. The challenge is very simple. We will do squats for 10 days. The second day, we'll do 35 repetitions. To do them well, remember this. Stand with your feet apart at shoulder height. Look straight ahead and raise your arms in front of you, parallel to the floor. Tighten your abs. Keep your back straight. And your knees are not bent beyond your toes. Here we go. We start with today's challenge. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and raise your hands parallel to the floor. Let's go! 1, 2, straight back, 3, 4, 5, lift your butt, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, come on, keep going, 11, 12, 13, 14, come on, hold on, 15, 16, 17, 18, come on, a little more, 19, 20, remember knees back, 21, 22, come on, arms straight, 23, 24, 25, 26, straight back, 27, 28, come on, we're almost done, 29, 30, 31, come on, hold on, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Congratulations for completing today's challenge. Don't worry if you did not do all repetitions in one. Rest for 30 seconds and continue where you left off. I leave you training with more exercises. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos, and tomorrow I will return with day 3 for this challenge. Now challenge a friend by sharing this video so that you can help motivate each other.